Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswar, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, finally Wipro has started the assessment process for allied candidate. And also this Accenture, right? So they have started the pre-joining formalities and process. We will talk in detail, but right now friends, if you have Wipro assessment, if you have received the email, then please join this Telegram group where you will be able to help each other, right? The link of this Telegram group is given in the description. Please join it as soon as possible. And one thing, Wipro hiring link for the allied exclusive hiring. So this is only for the limited college. Your college might not be eligible and you might not be able to apply. You can check it. But one thing about Wipro is very, very good. Even though they hire or they do not give joining date, whatever they do, but the hiring link, they will keep it active. So they are going to celebrate Independence Day finally. So this date has been increased, revised, and now finally Independence Day. We have to see till they celebrate Diwali, Chhat Puja and all, or maybe New Year. We will have to see. Okay guys, so please go ahead and check the link. So first of all, you need to join this Telegram group so that you will be able to help each other. Okay, so if you don't help each other, the progress won't be there. Okay, now so for this particular candidate, so different timings are there. Questions will be also different. Don't think that questions will be same. So for different batch, questions will be also different. So greetings of the day. Thank you for applying to Wipro's campus recruitment process. As the next step, you are requested to appear for the online assessment, and please read the instruction. Means bhai nahi bhi bologe to bhi padhunga. It's okay. Your assessment is scheduled on 2025 of 3rd August 2025, 3 p.m. This email contains confidential information, all your bank account details. As soon as you forward this email, or your bank money, which crores rupees you have in your account, will go off. Okay, confidential. So test time 3rd of August 3 p.m. Very good. So supported devices, desktop, laptop. Please note that Apple devices are not compatible. So MacBook is not compatible. Now if some student is having MacBook, it's of no use. Such a great software delivered by Wipro. Operating system Windows 8 or above, still there in Windows 8. By default Microsoft is now upgrading to Windows 10, Windows 11, but they're still supporting Windows 8. Browsers, latest version of Google Chrome. Okay. Delete cache from the browser, Flash players, JavaScript must be enabled, disable antivirus. Are bhai, pura ka pura ek. See, one student is struggling for hirings, jobs, exams, and then they have given a complete set of process. Baith ke din bhar wahi karo, exam kal dena. Okay. And that too, the mail they will send a day before. And after that, they will ask you to do all those things. What is the crap we don't understand only? Okay, then. So, test pattern. So, what is a test pattern? That is what we have to see. So, aptitude test, 3 sections, English, analytical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, 40 minutes, 40 questions, negative marking. Many of you do not take anything seriously, right? Once they will send this email just 2 days before, 1 day before, right? They will give the surprise, and then you will see that you are not prepared only. Technical knowledge, MCQ based, 15 question, 15 marks, no negative marking. See, if you are sending 1 day before, what you will do? Okay. So what you will do? Come here, we will discuss. Samajh rahe ho na? Come here, we will discuss. No problem. Okay. And then coding 20 minutes, 2 question, no negative marking. Ehsan, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पे, नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. WET वेट, दूसरा वेट है ये. रिटन इंग्लिश टेस्ट 20 minutes, 1 question, no negative marking. All tests are linked, will appear one after the other. All tests are mandatory, hence please appear for all the 4 tests one by one. Okay, one by one you have to appear. After this there will be SVAR test will come. The link is given in the description, so you can check it out. The test is webcam enabled and you are being monitored throughout. The webcam is not detected at the time of starting the test. The webcam will not detect you even in the test also. Okay, don't worry about that. Webcam and internet continuity is needed throughout the test. Ensure there is a good internet and power backup available. The speed of internet should be more than or equal to 4 Mbps. Do not press backspace. So there are some rules they have given that you have to follow. Okay. So it's all about Wipro, friends. Check out the link. So even if you want to apply, you can apply now also if your college is eligible. And SWOT test also you need to prepare, and all those things you need to prepare. So that is the reason, friends, I tell you, you keep preparing. Okay, companies yesterday only you saw, right? So Capgemini and Infosys said that they are going to hire. Joining guarantee, they will, send onboarding or joining mail to student, that they don't know, but hiring will happen. Okay, once they will hire, you sit at home, you are hired. Joining we will see, yeah, what is there in joining. Okay, fine. But anyway, your duty is to prepare. Joining bhi hoga, test will also happen, everything will happen. So join this Achiever 2.5 batch. We have also introduced now AI courses, communication courses, mock interview as it was going on. So all those things is enhanced now. The course is definitely enhanced now. Okay, so let us go back and see Accenture, what Accenture is doing. So Accenture, when Accenture saw layoffs, that so many things are happening, then Accenture, this is a time when we can start the onboarding process. Chalo. So work at the heart of change. So on pre-joining learning program they have initiated. So once you learn, okay, and don't earn, then they will tell you, okay, so we will make you join Accenture in January 2026. Okay, new year, new company, new choices. Okay. Dear candidate, we are thrilled to have you join our team soon and excited to welcome you to the Accenture family. Thank you for that, Accenture. 24th of July, 3:21 p.m., 10 days ago. This is further to the Accenture learning program mentioned in your offer letter, which is a pre-onboarding online learning program designed to provide new joiners with essential skills and tools for job readiness. Okay, friends, regarding Accenture new hiring. So now Accenture was Kumbhakaran ke tarah so raha tha 6 months. Now Accenture was also sleeping for 6 months like Kumbhakaran. Now Accenture is thinking, oh, let's do something here. It's like boring. Okay, so for freshers they started something. So career acceleration, client ready and deliver impact from day one. Okay, all those things are really not required. Next step, kickstart foundation through primers, complete primers assessment, complete professional development learning, complete delivery learning, complete stream learning and assessment, clear my competency assessment, clear IIT, clear NEET, okay, clear UPSC. So only 3 things are missing. They have missed actually. So here they have missed it. Otherwise, see, they have already written all those things. We just need to add clear IIT, okay, clear, not clear, complete, okay, clear UPSC, clear NEET. Okay, what is remaining? That's all. Okay, and after that you join Accenture for 4.5 lakhs per annum. It's not a such a big amount. You will end up paying tax only. See, even 3-4% will not be able to pay the tax for the money which Accenture is going to offer you. Okay, good. So they are telling the tentative joining months is January 2026 and tentative joining location is Chennai. Okay, so they are telling tentative, but kuch na kuch to karenge bhai, tension nahi lena hai. That's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Even for small information, I will be there with you. Okay, we will be providing it to you. You please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are not doing that, then placement hoga placement hoga. Thank you. Bye bye.